Hello guys. So today I am going to show you means how to create a custom SLA. Custom SLA means if you want to create a SLA with custom entity, so Microsoft provide you apply the custom SLA in the custom entity. So the first step is suppose this one is a solution, and if you enable the SLA in the any custom entity. This one is a project, and project is a custom entity. And if I go to here for project tasks, and I need to enable the SLA for custom entity. So Microsoft will give you enable the custom SLA where you can see in the bottom SLA, where is SLA. I have already enabled this, so you can see the enable for SLA is checked. So the first step is you need to first enable this record, and then once you enable, so you need to create a you need to go for customer service admin center, and there is a one thing service terms, and there is a different SLA agreements setting SLA, just like a service level agreement, SLA KPIs, and other SLA settings. So if I go here for first one, the service level agreement SLA, so you can see I have already created a one SLA, project task approval SLA, and now it is in draft. So if I open here, and if I go to, you can see there is a one SLA. Before the SLA creation, so we need one thing. Well, go here, service terms. The parent is SLA KPI. So first we need to create a SLA KPI. So SLA KPI basically it's a trigger point when your SLA is triggered. So first we need to select a name, and there's a entity name, it's a project tag, it's a custom entity, and KPI field purchase by, and it's trigger on the creator dot field. So once you create the SLA KPI, so you need to go for service level agreement. Okay. So here you can see I have created a one SLA, and the name is this one, and the primary entity is project tasks. So this one is a custom entity, and this one is the SLA item. So if I open this SLA item here, so you can see this is a some configuration, and here this one is a when your SLA will be triggered. So currently I am adding a one, just like a account contains data, so the SLA will trigger. Success condition is contact contains data, and for testing purpose the warm offer is 1 minute and the failure offer is 2 minutes. And now I am going to enable this workflow, and first activate this workflow actually, and then this it's set as default. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it's triggered. So I'm here in the project tasks, and there's a one SLA. This one is already triggered, so I'm going to here for projects. There is a multiple tasks, so I'm going to this one. This one is there is no component context. Okay, and if I go here for SLA, so there is no SLA triggering. So what I need to do, I need to add a account, any account. We basically the trigger point is whenever you add account, so the SLA, your SLA will be triggered. So I need to make a mandatory field. Yeah, so if I go here for SLA, so you can see your SLA is triggered, and if I open this SLA, so there is a failure time and the warning time, and I have set a 1 minute for failure, 1 minute time. Okay, thank you.